Namaskar. I, Amit Kumar from India Met Department, welcome you all in our weekly weather briefing. So during past week, that is from 18th January to 24th January, no significant weather system affected any part of country during this week. There was a feeble WD which was observed on 20th January. Then there was a trough from SIK to eastern parts of our central India, and it was observed from 20th January to 24th January. Due to continued absence of significant winds at lower levels near surface, the dense to very dense fog conditions along with low cloud cover continued to prevail across many parts of Indo-Gangetic plains. Now this, if you can recall that this fog layer developed around 25th December. So from 25th December till 24th January, this fog layer in this Indo-Gangetic plains have prevailed. So it has been nearly 4 weeks that this fog layer has prevailed. And because of this fog layer, severe cold day to cold day and severe cold wave conditions have also prevailed over the same region. Now, if we see the distribution of fog during this week, then we can see that around whole of North India, Northwest India was covered by dense to very dense fog during this whole week. And the same fog layer can be seen in the satellite visualized imageries from INSET 3DR satellite, that the fog layer was extended from Punjab to northeast India, and it has prevailed from 18th to 24th January. If we see the distribution of cold wave, then northwest India for whole these 7 days, with an exception of 23rd January, was under cold wave conditions, and even severe cold wave was observed over Rajasthan area. If we see the distribution of cold day, then this whole part of northwest India, or we can say North India because it is ranging from Punjab till Bihar, it was under severe cold day to cold day conditions that prevailed. And we can see that from 20th January till 24th January, severe cold day conditions prevailed over this whole belt ranging from Punjab, Haryana, UP, Bihar. During this week, there was very less rainfall activity which was recorded over the country. Mainly it was confined to east and central India under the influence of that trough, and some light rain activity was observed over Tamil Nadu and Kerala subdivisions also. If we see the weekly rainfall departure map, then there were 8 subdivisions which recorded normal to above normal rainfall. And if we see the seasonal rainfall, that is from 1st January to 24th January, then there were 13 subdivisions which recorded normal to above normal rainfall. If we see the rainfall summary, then in the current week, India as a whole recorded 75% below normal rainfall, and only central India reported 43% above normal rainfall. If we talk about the season, then with an exception of South Peninsula, which recorded above normal rainfall of 155%, India as a whole reported 56% less rainfall than normal. If we talk about today's synoptic systems, then there is a WD over Iran and neighborhood area. There is cyclonic circulation over northeast Rajasthan, and under the influence of this cyclonic circulation and WD, there is a clouds which are prevailing over northwest India. Then there is a cyclonic circulation over SIK, that is South Interior Karnataka, and there is a trough running from this cyclonic circulation to north coastal Andhra Pradesh. If we see the fog warning for next 5 days, then we can see that on 25th and 26th, whole northwest India will be the warning of dense to very dense fog is given. Then on 27th, this from very dense fog, the fog will reduce to only dense fog, and on 28th, this region will further reduce, and dense fog will be only observed over UP. Then on 29th, the same conditions are prevailing. So the fog layer is decreasing in intensity and spatial extent. Cold day, as the fog layer is decreasing, so the maximum temperatures will increase. So because of that, the cold day criteria will not be met. So the same can be seen in our 5-day warning also, that the region of severe cold day to cold day is reducing. Cold wave conditions also, as the minimum temperatures are rising, so during the next 5 days, so the area under cold wave will be reducing from around whole of northwest India on 25th to only Punjab and Haryana on 27th, and after that on 28th and 29th there is no cold wave warning. If we see the extended range forecast for maximum temperature for week 1 and week 2, then here we can see that the maximum temperatures are increasing over northwest India. The same can be seen in the anomaly of maximum temperatures, that the anomaly is positive over northwest India in week 1 and week 2. In week 1, there is a negative anomaly, that is the maximum temperatures will be having a decreasing tendency over central India, and that will reduce in week 2. If we talk about minimum temperatures, then the minimum temperatures are also showing a increasing trend in next 2 weeks forecast, and the same can be seen in the anomaly of these temperatures, minimum temperatures also, that the minimum temperatures over northwest India are increasing, and the same is reflected in our forecasts for cold wave also. If we talk about rainfall in next 2 weeks, then in the current week there will be light rainfall or snowfall in higher reaches of Himalayas, and in the next week, under the influence of a WD, there we are expecting rainfall, light rainfall in Punjab, Haryana and UP. If we talk about the extended range outlook of cold wave, then there is a moderate probability of cold wave in Haryana and adjoining West UP and South Punjab during week 1. There is a low probability of cold wave in other areas, and in week 2 there is no probability of cold wave. If we talk about tropical cyclones, then in both coming 2 weeks there is low or probability of any cyclone genesis in Indian seas. So you are requested to follow us on India Met Department's webpage, that is mosam.imd.gov.in. Thank you.